Oh, so I found a doorknob. She did get a doorknob. She wasn't sure. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy on here. So here's a doorknob. I'll unpack it. See, it's got some brief directions. Really self-explanatory. The only thing I was gonna say is, see how the new door doesn't have the pre-drilled holes for the latch. Here's the latch. Here's it all put together. Let me slide it apart so you can see, since I don't have anybody to hold the camera. That's how it's going to go on the door. So the latch goes in here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to mark these holes, punch it, drill it, a smaller drill bit than the screws that are going to go in. That just gives the wood somewhere to, the screws somewhere to go. The wood can only expand so much before it cracks. We do not want to crack the door. So we're going to do that. Then this part doesn't have the lock. So that goes, see the slot there? It goes around the plunger. I don't know what it's called. Maybe I'll find out, give you the proper term. That goes through there. The locking side. I'm sure there's another piece I gotta put in there. It goes on that side. Then the screws go in the screw holes. Goes through, screws into that side when it's up on the door. Every door lock comes with the directions, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. I'll clip this together real fast at the end of the door video. If you're bored, hit that like button. That'll help me out. That'll help me get going. Let me know I'm doing something right. I'm not very good at this video thing, but I guess I'll get the hang of it. That's about it. I'll show you the finished product once I get the doorknob on, see if it's all going to line up. There it is. It's all done. So that's how the doorknob's screwed in. This is the lock. You can see it's locked, unlocks. Nice and tight. Everything works great. Hope that helps. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. On your way out, if you wouldn't mind, smash that like button. Maybe give it a share. Every little bit helps. Appreciate you. Bye.